Please don't take corona so lightly. Very bad symptoms. I am not able to speak, but I really want to convey my message to all, and especially during my pregnancy. I really don't want.
She was the most energetic person. She was so strong. She was the last person that we thought that could go to COVID. Her pregnancy made her vulnerable.
We went to the Regent's Park. It's beautiful.
If the COVID is going down in your place, do not take it lightly. It was going down here in India, but it came like wildfire. People were unguarded. People were unguarded, and it affected healthy people. It affected pregnant women. So do not take your guard down at all. This strain is highly infectious, I can tell you. Earlier it was the elderly, now it is the young. The virus is evolving and it has been affecting a lot many younger people here in India. I talk to myself, she must have gone to take care of the second baby. She did not wanted to leave him alone. She did not wanted to leave him alone. She was a mother. She was a great soul.